craze for dolls has emerged. Cute little dolls. Whether it's China, South Korea, America, UK, or Europe, people are standing in lines to buy this doll. There are even fights happening over buying this doll. In 2024, the revenue from these dolls crossed $500 million. It increased a lot. Many people even call this doll demonic. That is, they believe this doll is evil. What is the reality? Let's find out everything in this video. Let's get to know about these dolls in this video. Friends, these dolls were first introduced in 2015. They were designed by an artist, K. Sing Lung. He had written a story series, The Monsters. Labubu Doll was a part of this story series. In 2022, these dolls started getting famous in China. There was a store in China named Pop Mart. In this store, Labubu dolls started getting sold. And then in China, the craze for these dolls started. Pop Mart has become the biggest retailer of Labubu dolls. But friends, how did these dolls become so famous? What was so special about these dolls? In the end of 2022, when China had recovered from coronavirus, people in China needed emotional support. And that's why people started buying these dolls. Labubu dolls looked very different. And maybe that was the reason why these dolls became famous in China. But then came the year 2024, when a member of South Korea's K-pop band Blackpink, Lisa, had a keychain of Labubu dolls on her bag. And friends, from here, the craze for Labubu dolls started spreading all over the world. Many products in the world go viral on social media like this. And then people make these things a status symbol. This shoe company, Payless, had done a similar experiment. This company sells shoes at a very low price. But then this company made a luxury store. And here they started selling their cheap shoes at a very expensive price. And then something strange happened. People came and started buying their cheap shoes at the same expensive price. People thought that these expensive shoes were trending. In the same way, companies create demand for their products. Through social media, they create trends. And people are forced to buy these products. This is the story of Labubu dolls. People are buying these dolls just to follow a trend. That's why the demand for these dolls increased so much that there was a shortage. And then people even started fighting to buy these dolls. In South Korea, all the stores of Pop Mart were closed so that people do not fight here. Friends, Labubu dolls are being sold very smartly. Many characters of this doll have been made. And they are sold in a mystery box. People are excited about which character's doll will come out from inside. Many dolls are very rare. And the person who gets this doll goes crazy with joy. Many people also use these rare dolls to sell on the internet. And they earn a lot of money. People want such Labubu dolls that no one else has. And in this way, the craze for Labubu dolls is increasing in the world. A normal toy has now become a status symbol. Friends, the next question is, are Labubu dolls really demonic? Is there any evil power in this doll? For this, we will have to know pazuzu. Pazuzu is a devil. There is an area in Iraq called Mesopotamia. The story of this devil was famous from here. The story was that this devil looks like half human and half animal. In the famous horror film series The Exorcist, this devil is shown. Is the story of pazuzu true or false? But many people believe that this devil can come inside the Labubu dolls. And then people started being afraid of these dolls. Another controversy was that an episode of The Simpsons cartoon came out, in which it was shown that during excavation, an old pazuzu devil's doll is found. This doll is sent to the Simpsons house. But this doll has a devil. And this same devil possesses the daughter of the Simpsons family, Maggie. Although Labubu dolls were not mentioned in Simpsons, people joined pazuzu with Labubu dolls and made a conspiracy theory. Friends, because the craze of these dolls has increased so much, people are talking about this doll in every way. And the benefit is ultimately going to the company that makes Labubu dolls. Through these controversies, even those people are getting to know about these dolls who didn't even know them before. Many times, such things are deliberately spread on social media so that the company gets more publicity. Anyway, by the time the trend of Labubu dolls and their hype ends in the world, the company that made them will have earned billions of dollars. And then the trend of something else will start in the world. And people will be following that trend. Friends, I hope that you got a lot of information from this video. To watch more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, click on the bell icon which is present next to the subscription button, so that you can get the notification of all the new videos of this channel. Like and share the video. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.